Okay, for this week we have stopped, we have designed the logo and this picture, which is the background and the header. The menu we have finished, and the sidebar, the slider. Yeah, later on we are going to embed the JavaScript, the jQuery here. Yeah. In this case we can say that okay, let me just open. You have to open both files. Yeah, which is the Dreamweaver and Photoshop, because we will follow exactly our design. Okay, in here before starting doing the which is the nav bar and the latest project, we have to do first the footer, because if you don't do the footer, you are gonna have a problem. It's gonna you are gonna have a space. Yeah, here down it's gonna give you space. Yeah, so it's better to avoid this one. Create or do the footer before. Okay, we just go to the code. We have stopped here, right? Okay, we have the slider. Just go down and you create the footer. Div id footer. This is the name, the general name for that one. Inside the footer, first you have to analyze. Go to the design and analyze. Okay, I have footer, which is this, the whole things here inside. This is the footer. Inside the footer I have three things. I have the logo, I have to float it to the right, and I have to the social link, I have to float it to the left, and I have to the content. So I have three more div inside the footer. Okay, so the name, I'm gonna use the name. See, even that's why I told you to group everything. If you go here, what did we name it here? Social link, right? And here contact inside the footer it itself, right? And here we can say it's the logo, footer logo. Yeah, F logo. We will use the same name. It helped you. That's why if you manage or you arrange the design in Photoshop, in Dreamweaver is very simple for you. Okay, now I have to come here, then I say div id, then first one, the logo, F logo, which is the footer, stands for footer logo. Okay, we can write footer logo, no problem, but you understand. Yeah. Okay, then I have another div which is called s-links. What is the social links? Okay, all right, then I have to save div id, then contact. Okay, now I have finished everything. Okay, all right, then I have to take this one, as I told you, to take them together. Okay, and take this one, bring it here up, bring the social link. This is the good way, you don't forget anything. Okay, then take them all, copy them, cut them, and go to the CSS. Start implementing this one in the CSS, but you have to put the hash, because why? It is div, it's not class. It's not going to repeat, right? Okay, the same things. I have to do the same things for these things. Okay, all right. So the same. Sorry. Okay, now I have finished everything. Yeah. Okay, what I have to do now, I guess go back in here. Sorry, I have to put the photo, which is the footer photo. Okay, all right, so just go, the shortcut is Ctrl Alt I, then I just go back. Okay, here is it. Where is the footer? Okay, all right, so it's here. Okay, so I do one by one so that you understand. We go to, here is the element, the image is element. It has open tag and close tag. I put the structure here, so I have to style it, I have to control it in CSS. When I implement any element here, so I just go and style it here, the curation will be here. Yeah, first of all we have to put the footer, the element of the footer, everything here. In the footer we have the background only. We can just say the width of the background. We can just go back to here, we can see the width of it is 1100, right? And the height is 14. Yeah. The first thing we will say, the width is 1000, right? 1100, isn't it? Pixel. Okay, then the height. Okay, we go back, then we see 142, right? Pixel. Okay, this background, I mean this footer has background. What is the image there? We just go to the image, we take it, this one. Yeah. We said no repeat, I don't want you to repeat because the whole picture is with me, no repeat. Yeah, that's it. Then I see, come here and see. It is not, because why? We have to what they call it, if you come back to here, what is the header, right? Is 1100. You just want to do the padding, right? Just take the padding and do like this one. Oh, sorry. No, it's supposed to be the footer is 1100, height, the background. Yeah, no repeat. Okay, then in the header it's 1100. It's supposed to have padding 50. Where is the menu? Here is the menu, right? Then we can see margin top, width is 1100. Is it 1100, right? Then the height, the background is the footer background. Then we see a no repeat. Yeah, it's supposed to be come here. The width, okay, I think the width is not 1100. Okay, it is fluid, padding, what you can see here, padding left. If we see the menu, we get the margin top, that one will be top. Yeah, we can see maybe margin left 50 pixel, just to see what's going to happen. Yeah, so something like that one. So you have to solve. That's why, you know, even if you see me stop, I'm already expert, but sometimes you have to stop and see why this problem and how you can solve it. Yeah, so you think and you can solve. Oh, maybe it run there, so I have to bring it margin, because margin is outside, it's not inside. If it is inside, so I have to put inside there. Yeah, yeah. So I want inside the footer, this one I want 50 and 50, because I put here, right, 50. Yeah, so here if you see this one, right, is 50, and from here is 50. So I can specify here, I can say padding, you can say here, or otherwise you can do it in the same things in here. Okay, so I have specified everything here. I go to the logo, then I can say logo, I want you to float to right. Okay, see, the first things is going to be the right here, the right. Logo, I want you to be here, also margin right, I want 50 pixel. See how it's going to be. Okay, I want you to be also the top, so margin top. From the top I want to bring you down. Okay, so 10. Try 10 first, then you can see whether it is okay or no. Okay, I think okay, 10 is great. Yeah, so okay, I have finished. Guess what I say is logic, you know. It's like you it's like you are telling a story, a real story. Okay, logo, I want you to be in the right. Okay, I want the margin right, I want you just to move you a little bit. Yeah, from up I want to bring you down. It's just logic, you know, like you are telling the software to do things, you know. Very simple, really, it's very simple. Then once I finish the logo, I just come back to the S link, which is the social link. Also the same thing, I have to bring the image for the social link. I didn't prepare them right here. It's not with me, so sorry, I have to bring them from here. So I have to go here, pick up them, and also I have to pick this one. Maybe it's already with me, but never mind. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so I have to just close. Sorry, did I close the web? Yeah, okay, right. So I have the image here with me. I just bring one by one. I want to take first the Facebook. Exactly the same thing. Okay, once I bring the Facebook, I bring this one, the div here. I go down, then I can just say I want Twitter. Yeah, then I can just bring the YouTube, which is this one. Okay, then that's it. 3 pictures. Before here you can make a link for the logo. Is in any company, in any website, they make sometime a link, right? I mean, you can link to the home page. Whenever they click, you just go here before it and you say a, then you just put the hash until later on you can come back and you can put the code for this one. Then you just say here. Okay, see, whenever we put something like this one, see, this one will come, but see the link here. Yeah, so it's going to be the same thing. And here you can specify the good things is for this one, for SEO. You have to write anything here. You can write, for me I say write maybe wordpress. Yeah, then I take the same word. This one it will help you when you're for archiving your website. Then the title of it. And they hover on the photo, it will come here, wordpress, or you can say home page, anything you would like to. Then even in the social link, you have to put the link here also. Same thing. Sorry. Yeah. We're supposed to put a that one, right? Then I put the link here, which is the Facebook. In this link, so I guess copy and paste thing. Then I guess copy this one first and paste it here. Then I paste in this one. Okay, then I take this one. Then I closing tag, open tag and closing tag. Okay. Okay. Then here also I can do the same thing. I go to, then I do alt Facebook. Then you can see the title. You can say Facebook. Yeah, or maybe you can do both. Full name is much better. Sometimes you know, for searching, when they search, your icons will appear there. Okay, then here also the same. You can say on Twitter, right? Twitter. then you take a copy, don't just do it again and again, do the same thing. Then you just see here title, Twitter, for here is YouTube, right? Don't get bored. YouTube, right? YouTube, right? Like this one or E?
Yeah, correct.
Without E or with E, right?
With E.
With E, okay, right. Then you guess the title, same thing. Sorry, huh? For then guess what? See here when we're YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. This one will help you in to make your website, look like it is fully connection, and also for the alt. This one will help for archiving the website for SEO, will help you a lot. Okay, now we implement all the code is ready there. We have embedded the code here. Now what we want to manage them, control them in CSS. I want you to go there, I want you to be here. Also before this one we have to h1, sorry. Yeah, then close the h1, sorry. Yeah, here is the h1 because I want this one, I want follow us on. Yeah, you have to put it in h1 above the photo, then you can see, sorry, follow us on, then you just write like that one. Also we have in the S-link, what do I have? I have h1 and I have image, so I just go there. Even the logo is better, if you do the this is my advice to you, is to write the size of it before we start doing that one. Yeah, you go to the logo back here, you see the height and the width 131, right? You can say here it's not going to affect anything, but for the programmer, yeah, 131 pixel height, sorry, pixel, then the height, sorry, 123 pixel. Yeah, then now we are in the social link. The social link it itself, okay, then I have h1 inside it. Okay, I have h1, which is the title, right? And in the social link I have image also. Yeah, I have image. Okay, in the social link what I can do, I want to see the width, I want to give them width. Do you be in this, between this one, maybe we can say 170. I want you to go between this one, or 160. Yeah, the width. I don't want you to go more than that one. 160 pixel. And the height, I have to go to the design. You must open this both design, and I can guess, assume like that one. Maybe the height, I want you to go between maybe 90. Yeah, minimum height, we can say minimum. The minimum for you is 90. Sorry, pixel. Okay, see, they are going to be exactly in this one, but it's not color yet. Okay, yeah, then I will start one by one. This one I just give the general things. A social link, I want you to be where float before we have to float it to left. It's automatically will be in the left because the default in the left. Any item come without specifying will be in the left. Okay, then I want to take this one, margin, like we do for the logo, right? Margin right, then we just do margin left here, 50. So okay, I just want to take it a bit here, see, yeah, so it is equal. Yeah, then I will start one by one. H1, what I am going to do for H1, I have to come back here and see what did I do here in H1. Yeah, first I will take this one, then I will see the size, the font, the color of it. That's all I have to take from the Photoshop, from my design. Okay, I can say font family Verdana. Yeah. Then I can say the color of it is white. I know already it's white. You can say 3 zeros or 3 FF, sorry. Yeah, then the font size, it is 18, maybe, right? It's 18. See here, is it 18 pixel? Pixel, sorry. Pixel. See, if I come back here, what I can see is automatically will change. I want to have a margin up and down, which is here. See here how much. I have to come back to the design, my design. I can see here maybe around 27 from top. I can say here margin, I want you from margin to top 27 pixel. See it's like, you are controlling everyone between them here, between the title and this photo. I just go here and measure by myself. I can measure like this one. No, it's no other right term. Or maybe I can just bring a new line, will be maybe here, and maybe in this one I can bring one more line to be exact, to be very specific, right? Then you can just measure this one, this area 22, right? Then I can say I want from down, please guess from the margin bottom right 22, please, I want you to be 22. See, very simple, as simple as this one. You don't need to do anything with them because they are picture. Or maybe if you want the between them, the margin between them, because here if you see here is 5. Yeah, I think is fine, very fine, because they already okay. Yeah, otherwise if you want the image between them, you can say padding left, because it's starting from the left. I want 20 pixel. See what is gonna, I think it's gonna change. See, because why they are like this one, because I give them the width, yeah, fix it the width, maybe 10. If I say 10, I think they are gonna be in the 10 between. No, 10 is more, is too much for them. Maybe if we say 8, it's too much also still. If we give 5, it's too much also still for them. Maybe yeah, see, without specifying the padding, automatically will take the thing. See, this one is for me it looks very fine. Yeah, it looks very fine like this one for me. Okay, it's ready. I don't need to put this one. Why I need to put here for the S-link? I come back here, I see the size for them is 84, 87. See, all of them the same thing, right? Yeah. 84, 87. So I guess come back here with 84, right? Yeah. Pixel height 87, right? 87. No, 47 pixel. Okay, this one for the programmer, you know, he will know that the image size. Maybe we don't give him the file, everything. Maybe he has to know. So now we are in the contact. In the contact, we come back here. We just take this information. I take one by one. Then I have to go to the code here. Yeah, I bring this one. Then I write. Okay, like this one. I don't need to put anything. Yeah, maybe, but between them BR, which is the break line. Yeah, BR. So then I have to come back here and take the another one, which is the mobile BR. Same thing. You don't need to type again and again. If you already have something, just copy and paste. It's easy, you know. Then I have to come back here also. Then I take this one. This one you don't need to do BR. Here I have image, right? Yeah. Then I have to put the image. I have to open image source. Then I have to take it. I can take anyone, either one of this one. Yeah. Then maybe. Sorry. Yeah. So the image will be here before. See if we test it in the browser. It's gonna come right. Exactly. So it's gonna come after, because default I told you is left. Yeah, left. So I will leave it left because, and I guess take a padding here, there. Then I will play with everything here. This setting will be the same thing for everything here. I'm going first. I have to give it the. I'm gonna give the font. Verdana is 18 white. Same this one. You don't need to take too many things. If you already have one things, just take it. This one, because it shares the same attribute. Okay, just bring it here and see how it's going to look like. Okay, I think very fine. So I want to bring it here. I can say margin left. Margin left 100 pixel. Okay, see, sorry, margin contact margin left 100. Try padding. No, actually I suppose first to say float to left. It will float to left, I think, first. Then we have to do the padding of it and margin. See. Yeah. Then how about say margin? Because it's left. In here I want to do 50 pixel. Okay. Yeah. See. I want to do more. Maybe 150. Because I want more. And the good way for you is to do from here, visual. Is much better, you know. You can do here. Yeah, you can see whether it is in the middle or no, between them or no. For me, I think yeah, like this is fine. Then I can say 200, 27. Oh, sorry. 200. 227. 227. Okay, alright. I think that would be very great. Then what I need to do? I need to bring it down. That's it. Use this application. Okay. What I can say? I can say margin top, right? Margin top. How much we give this one? For the maybe we can say 20 first. We try. Otherwise we have to see the design. Is much better, you know. If you do the design, yeah, you have to see the design here. How much you left here for up. Yeah, see, sorry. Yeah, you have to bring here. You can see how much you left up. Maybe around 30. How much did I give? 20, right? Maybe I can say 28 to 27. See? Yeah, you have to measure. Then here I want the height line, because this one, the height line, the spacing between one line and another line, line height, sorry, the line height, is that right? Line height maybe 20 pixel. Sorry, there's, we see how it's going to be. It's very small, too small. Maybe you can say 30. Yeah, should be very fine like this one. Now the image, I want it to be a bit there. I don't want it to stick together. In here, in the contact, we can just copy this one. Inside you, a contact, you can speak to the contact. Yeah, inside you have image. What is this one? The image. Because if I say h1 here or h2, any attribute, any element here, if I specify any element, I can control it within it is father. The father is this one of everything. But this one I left it just normal text without anything. I can say paragraph, then I can control the paragraph. But I don't need that one because it shares the same attribute. But I say here, okay, your image, I want you to be margin right, because I want little, maybe 5 pixel, because I want right. I want it to move a bit here, right, to move the things here. See, that's it, finish. Then the our footer is done. Yeah, now it's done. Yeah, then I think that's all for